India's electric vehicle revolution is picking up serious speed. And right when the world thought the EV race was already crowded, a new contender has arrived. VinFast, the Vietnamese automaker that's gone from startup to global player in record time. But unlike most newcomers, VinFast isn't starting small. They've begun with something massive, a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, their first facility outside Vietnam and their gateway to India and beyond. VinFast was founded in the year 2017 as part of the Vin Group conglomerate, Vietnam's largest private enterprise. In just a few years, they built a fully integrated vehicle factory in Hai Phong, launched electric scooters, cars, and even e-buses. And by 2022, they made a bold shift, going 100% electric. Today, VinFast operates across North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia, and is listed on the Nasdaq. India marks the next big step, not just as a new market, but as a strategic production and export hub for Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Now let's talk about the real highlight, the Thoothukudi factory. Built on over 400 acres inside the Sipcot industrial estate, this plant isn't just large, it's purpose-built for the next decade of mobility. The location was carefully chosen, close to a deep sea port, ensuring easy exports, and surrounded by automotive suppliers and skilled labor. Phase 1 involves an investment of about 4,300 crore rupees, scaling up to 16,000 crore rupees over time. Initial capacity, you ask? 50,000 vehicles a year with potential to triple to 150,000 as local demand and exports rise. And the pace? Remarkable. From groundbreaking to completion in roughly 17 months. That's fast by any standard. Inside, it houses fully automated body and paint shops, high-precision assembly lines, and quality control zones driven by advanced robotics. It's clean, efficient, and future-ready, built for flexibility, meaning new models can be rolled out with minimal retooling. Beyond tech, the plant has a strong local impact. It's expected to employ around 3,000 to 3,500 people directly and thousands more indirectly through its supplier network. VinFast aims for 70% localization in the coming years, sourcing major components within India, reducing emissions, and boosting the domestic ecosystem. Sustainability runs through the design. Energy-efficient operations, circular manufacturing, and even a battery recycling partnership with Batex Energies, ensuring that end-of-life batteries are repurposed, not wasted. This factory is not just about cars, it's about building a self-reliant green value chain in India. VinFast knows that a car alone doesn't make an EV revolution, so they're creating a 360-degree ecosystem covering manufacturing, sales, charging, service, and sustainability. Their dealer and service network is already being laid out, with a goal of 35 dealerships and 240 service points across 27 cities by 2025. Charging infrastructure is a major focus. Through VGreen Solutions, their energy subsidiary, VinFast plans to set up fast charging stations across key highways and metros, partnering with Tata Power and local energy providers. This end-to-end approach from factory to infrastructure shows they're building not just a brand, but an entire EV ecosystem designed around Indian conditions. The first models to roll out of Thoothukudi will be the VF6 and VF7, both electric SUVs built for Indian roads. The VF7 in particular captures attention. It's designed in Italy by Torino Designs and combines sleek European styling with real-world practicality. It's over 4.5 meters long, seats 5 adults comfortably, and offers a range of about 532 kilometers, which is AR/AI certified, thanks to a 70 kilowatt-hour battery. The dual motor variant makes 350 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, accelerating the car from 0 to 100 kmph in just 5.8 seconds, making it one of India's most affordable all-wheel drive electric SUV. Inside, there's a 12.9-inch connected screen, ADAS Level 2, and a cabin that feels modern but uncluttered. Proof that premium doesn't have to be overpriced. VinFast's India strategy blends manufacturing scale, local sourcing, and sustainability with a clear goal: to make electric mobility accessible and aspirational. If things go as planned, the Thoothukudi plant will not only cater to Indian buyers, but also become a major export hub, shipping made in India EVs across emerging markets. Of course, the road ahead isn't without challenges. Localization, charging infrastructure, and market competition will take time. But VinFast's speed, scale, and seriousness give it a strong foundation to build on. From Haiphong to Thoothukudi, the journey reflects a rare kind of confidence that India is central to the next chapter of global electrification. A 400-acre facility, thousands of jobs, and a commitment to clean energy, all signs that VinFast isn't just entering India, they are investing in its electric future.